Still struggling with ugly, confusing spreadsheets just to make a simple chart? What if an AI could turn your messy data into beautiful, presentation-ready graphs in just one click? Welcome back. Today, we're looking at Graphy, an AI-powered graph maker designed to help anyone become a skilled data storyteller. If you've ever stared at a pivot table and wished there was an easier way to make your data look professional, this tool might be exactly what you need. Let's break down how it works, its best features, and whether it's worth your time in 2026. Graphy simplifies data visualization into a few incredibly easy steps. First, you add your data. You don't need to spend hours formatting it. You can link a live Google Sheet, upload a CSV or Excel file, paste your values, or even ask the AI to search for the data for you. Second, the AI works its magic. Graphy's data engine reads your dataset and automatically highlights the most important insights. You can even chat with your data, asking the AI to generate a specific chart or answer questions about your numbers in seconds. Third, you make it shine. Instead of settling for those terrible default spreadsheet designs, you can instantly brand your charts with your own custom colors and fonts and add clear annotations to call out your biggest wins. Finally, you share your story. You can easily export your charts or embed them directly into your slides, social media posts, team docs, or email updates. Now, what do users actually think? While we have limited independent third-party reviews to draw from today, Graphy is trusted by over 300,000 data storytellers. The biggest pro mentioned by users is speed and design. For example, marketing professionals have shared that Graphy helped them turn 5 days of manual reporting into just 4 hours of work. Others love that it replaces passive dashboards with clean, context-rich visuals that stakeholders can actually understand. As for cons, because independent reviews are limited in our current data, it's hard to pinpoint common technical complaints. However, if you rely heavily on highly complex traditional business intelligence setups, you might find Graphy's focus on simplicity and presentation to be a shift from standard heavy data crunching tools. Overall, if you want to stop fighting with spreadsheet settings and start creating stunning charts that actually get noticed, Graphy is absolutely worth checking out. You can get started for free by heading over to graphy.app. Have you tried using AI to visualize your data yet? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video.